There, we got a movie. Couldn't take a picture of that. God damn. That's a trash can. Trash truck. This thing wouldn't let me take a picture. This is my old camera. Figured I'd just shoot the woodpecker, which I've seen before, but I was trying something different. Well, he's the big guy I saw before. Woodpecker. Yeah, ever since this suet thing was put up, there's a whole lot more birds hanging around. Like, I've seen these downy woodpeckers before, but never around this much. I won't take a picture. Oh, I see the other one. Back out. Oh, that's zooming in. It is Alpha. Back out. Won't back out anymore.
Vehicle Delta 25, Foxtrot Lima Lima.
Oop, too late. He's up there.
You'll move it all parking lot. You gotta help the way.
I think they're up there someplace. I can't quite get there. Anyway, ooh, there's one back.
Over to the sheriff.
And we are... Focus. Focus. Oh, that's the nuthatch. Come on, focus. Oh, it's not doing it. There's too much crap going on. Come on now. Oh, for crap's sakes. I don't know what I'm trying to do. Stay still.